everyone. Today we're going to go through Frere Jacques. It means Brother John. This piece sounds a little bit long, but actually every few notes are repeated. And I'll show you the fingering. Start on D string, D, E, F sharp, D, and do that again. And then again. Make sure the second finger is a little bit further away from the first finger. That is called F sharp. If you need F natural, then it's close to 1. In this case, just comfortably one finger space apart. Like that, 1, 2. All right, so let's go back. D, E, F, D. And then again. The next part is F sharp, G, A. Now this A, you can use open A, which your bow has to go over from D string to an A string. Very little, not too much of angle, right? Or you could use fourth finger A. F sharp, G, A. This A is away from the third finger by 1 finger step also, but 2 and 3 are next to each other. So also play those 3 notes twice. Again. Or you could play A string. Again. Now you're on A string. A, B, A, G, F, D. Again. Let's play that slowly. A, B, A, go back to D string. G is third finger. F, D, A, B, A, G, F sharp. The next part is D, A, D, spells for dad. Now this A is the one on G string, where your bow has to go a little higher. Again, little bit, not too much, then you will touch the violin, but just okay. D, A is 1 on G, and bring your bow up just slightly. And that's the end of the song. You see how every 3 or 4 notes you repeat it again. And I would like you to practice once through the whole thing and just make it a little bit faster and then a little bit faster. Don't go so fast right away, because in one little particular spot you will mess up very easily, and that can be frustrating. So let's do a little slowly from the beginning. Again. D, F, G, A, A string, F, G, A, B, A. Third finger, get ready. You see how I get open A? During the open A, my third finger is already ready to go onto D string. So when your bow goes over to D, your third finger will be right there. otherwise we will be late. So ready? G string. So playing slowly is the key. Try not to rush it. And you will improve within 10 minutes, I promise. See you next piece. Bye.